Question 14 says the function g has a property that for each time the input value doubles, the output value increases by 1. Which of the following could be the graph of y equals g of x in the xy plane? Okay, so we know that the input value x is going to double and that the output is going to be only increased by 1. Okay, so for example, if x was 1 and then I doubled that, so 1 to 2, my output values would only increase by 1. So here on A, this is going from 2 to 4. So that is not increasing by 1 for a double input value. So let's look at B. Going from 1 to 2, my input value or my output values go from 0 to 1. Okay, so now let's double again, 2 to 4. The output values goes from 1 to 2, double again, 4 to 8. The output values go from 2 to 3. So that kind of feels like that's following this. For every time I double the input, the output is only increasing by 1. Right now, I'm pretty sure my answer choice is B, but I will, let's double check it as well. C is linear, which is probably not going to be it, but let's check from 1 to 2. So 1 to 2, there's a double there. My output values are going from 2 to 4, so that is, plus 2 or maybe even a double, not following the pattern stated. And then here, if I go from 2 to 4, doubling 2 to 4, my output value is only going up from 1 to 2, so that follows. So from 4 to 8, my pattern goes from 2 to 4. So that's not increasing only 1 unit, that is increasing 1 unit and then 2 units. So it's not going to be D either. B is the only one that as I double the input, the output increases by 1. So B.